Hey, it's Noel here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can grab hundreds of pro logo templates and done for you list building website, plus step-by-step training to build your email list and earn affiliate commissions in 3 easy steps, all thanks to Logodoll. Now before we go any further, let's take a look at just some of the pro logo templates that you get today. Now all of these logos are delivered through a private members area, so you can log on in and download them whenever you like. And you get a free developer's license, which means you can use them for all your client projects as well as all your personal projects also. And the logos are easy to edit in free graphics software, which is also delivered within the members area. But that's not all. You also get the done for you website kits, so you can build your list and earn affiliate commissions. And all our website kits are built in 3 different platforms, including Convertri templates, Optimized Press templates, and HTML mini site, so you can choose the one which is best for you. And you get PSD source files for all the graphics, including the website headers and background slices, the free logo box shot, and the call to action buttons and banners. And you also get the free logo pack, which you can give away to build your list and use the professional email follow-up series to earn affiliate commissions. And how much commissions can you earn per sale? Up to $43 per sale plus recurring monthly payments. And there's only 3 steps to getting the results with Logodoll. Step 1 is simply download all 200 pro logos. Step 2 is upload the ready-made website kit. And step 3 is earn affiliate commissions. And you can get started in just a few minutes using our easy quick start checklist and instant free traffic method. And everything is delivered through a private members area. And you can log in on this page and instantly access your video training, all the quick start checklists, your logo downloads, the done for you website kits and email series, all the free traffic training and exclusive bonuses. And as you can see, everything is laid out in a very step-by-step manner, so you can simply start on over here in the Start Here section, then move on into the Earn Money section, download all your logos here, see how easy it is to edit the logos in here. Then you can access the done for you website kits in here, the automated email sequence in here, all your free traffic training is delivered in this area, and all the bonuses are delivered in here. So you can see how easy it is to log on in and access all the different areas within the members area. Now right about now you may be thinking, what do our customers have to say? Now some of our customers actually use the logos for all their client projects, and this customer has added thousands of dollars to his bottom line without any effort, and he says it's one of the best investments he has made. Now other customers use the logos for all their own websites and projects, and they love the fabulous designs, and they say Logodoll is the perfect solution because it's so simple. The logos are phenomenal and they would recommend them to anyone. Now I have a question for you. Are you ready to get started? Because you can join risk-free with our money-back guarantee, and all you have to do is click the buy button below now, and I'll see you inside the members area.